Welcome to my video. Today, we are showing top 5 best table saws in 2024. Hi guys, are you looking for the best table saws? If you received the new table saws, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best table saws on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences. Reading reviews and orders. Number 1. 15 ampere 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw. Integrated folding stand. Parallel blade alignment. .44 cutting capacity. Link on the description. Number 2. 125A dust-free woodworking portable saw. Electric multifunctional floor cutting. Engraving machine with 4/5 inch blade. Number 3. 10-inch heavy-duty worm table saw. Rugged, stand with wheel. Rack and pinion system. Heavy-duty metal gear. Link on the description. Number 4. TT1015 15 ampere 2 horsepowers 10-inch industrial benchtop table saw is a powerful and versatile tool for woodworkers. It features a 15 amp motor with 2 horsepower, allowing for easy cutting of various materials. The horizontal design maximizes workspace efficiency and stability, making it ideal for job sites. Number 5. Mini sliding table saw. Powerful motor performance, equipped with a robust motor rotating at 8,500 RPM per minute, ensuring smooth and efficient cutting through materials. Adjustable angle cutting features a 0 to 90 degree angle cutting function, allowing for precise and efficient operation in woodworking tasks. Link on the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.